Well, it's been 103 days for these potatoes. Some of these plants are completely dead, which is what you want, and some of them are not. They're different varieties, but I'm gonna harvest these rows, and I don't know, I'm not gonna film all of it. I'm gonna go through and pull all the plants first. So I learned a lot. There's way more rocks in there than I thought. This is all I got, really. What I learned is don't grow two different kinds of potatoes in the same spot. The red ones were really good and ready to come out. These were not. I don't know how many pounds that is. 15 maybe. And a couple of those. Anyhow, I could weigh them, I guess. A little bit over 10 pounds. When you put these like this, you can really see the difference. A couple of these over here. The red potatoes were a lot closer to being ready. They were all the dead plants. These were a bag of potato culls or rejects. They're a lot harder skinned or harder, just harder potatoes. I'm gonna go down and harvest a couple more rows. I'm gonna do these 2 rows. These are from last year that were planted that had the long sprouts on them. So, and I've harvested some here and I harvested some above. So really the total haul up above was probably like 12 pounds. So let's see what we get out of here. Well, now my late sweet potatoes got a place to go. They're doing pretty good. They're the first ones I stuck out here. But what did we get? A full bucket. I stabbed a few of them, which is fine, I'll eat them. But considering what I planted in here, that's amazing. I planted these and they had things going way out of them. Just buried them from last year. That's a good haul. That was well worth planting those. Well, whoops. Got a little over 10 again. Well, that's about 22, 24 pounds today. So now I go through and find all the ones I accidentally stabbed or the ones that are without skins. Next year I'm not growing those stupid things. They take forever. They needed another probably 20 or 40 days. They were just flowering. These are from last year's leftover little ones that I just left all winter that grew long sprouts. I'll try to put a picture in the video to show you what I mean. If I'd have grown twice as many of those, instead of having a row of those and a row of those, I'd had about that many red. So, got 20 some pounds there of potatoes. Not bad for 4 rows. 2 shorter rows and 2 longer rows.